Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Mrs. Priya Lad from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Maharashtra Board, Vasai East. Today we are going to learn Standard 8th entire Sanskrit lesson number 1, Parichayah, means self-introduction. First, listen the introduction of this lesson. This lesson tells you how to introduce yourself to others in Sanskrit. Being able to communicate with others is an important part of learning that language. Sanskrit is an ancient language. Sanskrit is a mother of many languages. In this lesson, you see that if you can talk about it to a limited extent with your classmate by changing word in the sentence, and also you will understand what our 5 fingers of hand are called in Sanskrit. Now we start the translation. Here in the first picture, one boy introduced himself. Aham Chhatrah. I am a student. Mama Nama Rahulah. My name is Rahul. Mama Mata Vidula. Vidula is my mother. Mama Pita Sureshah. Suresh is my father. Now Rahul discussed with another student. Tvam Chhatra. You are a student. Tvam Radha. You are Radha. In this way, you will introduce yourself in Sanskrit. Similarly, everyone will introduce others the name of his or her friend. For example, Eshah Atharvah. This is Atharva. Esha Rama. This is Rama. Sah Deepeshah. He is Deepesh. Sa Shreya. She is Shreya. Here we finish our lesson. Now we see the extra study included in this lesson for our general knowledge. Hasata Nandata Hasta Kutumbakam means fingers family. Eshah Snehaluhu Tatah Asya Nama Khalu Angushtah meaning Snehaluhu means loving, Tatah father, Asya his, Khalu indeed. Translation: this is the loving father. Indeed, his name is Angushtha means thumb. Nikate nivasati nanu mata nam tarjani tasyaha meanings Nikate near, nivasati stay or live, nanu indeed, tasyaha her. Translation: indeed, the mother stays near. Her name is Tarjani, means index finger. Jeshtha putri dirghatama nama madhyama tasyaha meanings Jeshtha eldest, Dirghatama tallest. Translation: the eldest daughter is the tallest. Her name is Madhyama, means middle finger. Tasyaha bhagini manorama asti nanu sa anamika meanings Manorama beautiful, asti is. Translation: her means Madhyama's sister is beautiful. Indeed, she is Anamika means ring finger. Ante bhavati kanishta bala tasyaha nama kanishthika meanings ante end, bhavati is, kanishta youngest. Translation: at the end is a youngest girl. Her name is Kanishthika means baby finger. Hastadvaina pranamami Ashirvadam Vindami meaning Pranamami bow down or salute, Vindami get. Translation: I salute with both the hands and I get the blessings. In this way, we learn the name of fingers in Sanskrit. Okay, so students, now we see the Bhashabhyasaha means exercise. The question number 1 is, imagine Lord Ram is introducing the members of his family and complete the dialogues. Eshah dash mama bhrata. Esha dash mama patni. Find out the answer of this question. Yeah, you are correct. The answer is Eshah Lakshmanah mama bhrata. Esha Sita mama patni. And the second question is, read and write how Raul introduces himself and make similar 4 sentences about yourself. Okay students, now I hope you understand this lesson by this audio visual lesson. Write all the questions neat and clearly in your notebook and fill their answers. Thank you.